Hey guys, so this video we're going to take a look at some Harbor Freight Dollar Days coupons. I have 24 total coupons to share with you. These expire on August 12th, and the Dollar Days all have even ending numbers like $5. Starts at 1, all the way up to 7 or 8 is the highest. We'll touch on some of these coupons more than others, but again, they go through the 12th. First up is the Warrior Titanium Hex Shank Drill Bit Set. It's a 13-piece set. It can be put into an impact driver because you have the hex shank, so drill or impact driver. Normally $6.99 down to $5. The next one is the 13-foot by 16-foot drop cloth, normally $4.99 down to $4. Then we have the 12-inch steel adjustable wrench, normally $9.99 down to $5. It's hard to see on this one if it has the scales on the side. I really like the ones that have metric on one side and SAE on the other. One, it's a nice little conversion tool, but also it's easy to throw an adjustable wrench on something to find out what the size is, then go get the socket, which is much better and easier than an adjustable wrench. Now, even though it's 50% off, I'm not enamored with it because adjustable wrenches in general are pretty cheap tools these days. So, if you need one, fine, but I wouldn't be running out for it. You have the Greenwood trigger spray nozzle, normally $5.99 down to $4. Old school style with the trigger, of course, the little locker there, and then all your little settings. But have you seen the newer style of these sprayers where it's just a little wheel that you push back and forth, and you don't have to sit there and hold the trigger the entire time? I actually prefer those quite a bit, but this one's only $4. You got a power strip, normally $4.99 down to $4. Looks like, what is that, 6 outlets in that thing? The fluid siphon pump, give you a nice little forearm exercise here. Normally $6.99 down to $3. You can drain that fish tank quick and easy with this guy. In one end, out the other. Just give it a little squeeze. The half-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor, normally $4.99 down to $4. Actually something pretty useful to have around if you do any kind of hauling and stuff. Have maybe a trailer or something. You can add a couple of these different attachment points. And kind of to go with it, we have the lashing straps. It's a 2-pack of the lashing straps, 1-inch, 12-foot, normally $4.99 down to $3. I actually like lashing straps. You're not going to get them tight like a ratchet strap. A ratchet strap, you can really anchor something down, but if you just need to put a little pressure on something, keep it from flying away, just hold it in place. These are much quicker than a ratchet strap, so 12-footers, getting the 2-pack there, your lashing straps. Warrior Magnetic Nut Setter Set, 9-piece set. This is metric, but the picture is metric, but they also have the SAE available. So going all the way up to your coveted 10 millimeter. Oh, it's over here, 10 millimeter. Normally $3.99, 99 cents off down to $3. When we get to some of the $1 ones, those are actually my favorites. I think we have some good deals at the $1 level, considering you can't buy anything for $1 these days. Pittsburgh High Visibility socket adapter set, 4-piece. Now, I don't know why it's called high visibility because it's still just like engraved into the side, and maybe it's larger letters and numbers, but to me, I need some high contrast if it's going to be high visibility. I wouldn't be able to read this. Now, despite the high visibility part, I do like a little set like this so we can change between our half and quarter inches and everything. Normally $4.99 down to $3. Got your 10 millimeter side terminal battery ratchet wrench, normally $3.49 down to $2. I mean, it's essentially a 10 millimeter ratcheting wrench, so you can obviously use it for things other than battery terminal, and maybe that's what you would do with it. Normally $3.49 down to $2. You have the Vanguard 125-volt 15-amp plug connector, normally $3.99 down to $2. You can get both the male, that's the outie, or the female, that's the innie, for those of you who are confused. Can't change them. Once they're there, that's what they are. $2, normally $3.99. These are actually pretty useful to have around. Probably something I'm going to be picking up with this coupon. Get maybe one of each or two of each. Anytime you might have to customize some kind of cable or extension cord or something, put a new end on it. It's good to have in the junk drawer laying around in case something comes up. Merlin, quarter-inch brass industrial plug. You can get the female or male, same thing there. Normally $2.99 down to $2. One thing to keep in mind with this is the industrial style. You can get industrial or automotive, and the shoulder is different. So if all your stuff is automotive and then you buy this industrial one, it's not going to fit. It's not going to latch on. So just make sure you know what you have and what you need. This is the industrial version. Like these clamps, micro spring clamp set. They are little baby guys, but it's only $1. Normally $1.99. There's 6 of them. What is that, like 17 cents a piece, whatever that divides out to? So something I'll be picking up again. It's $1. Useful to have around. Can't hurt. They are little baby guys. The picture is actually probably bigger than what they actually are. Another one I want. The mini razor blade scraper. Always got to have these laying around. Get the paint off the windows. Normally $1.99 down to $1, half off. I think it comes with a blade, even just a single one blade or just a scraper. For $1, probably just a scraper. Can't even spare a blade. Super glue, $1.99 down to $1. Getting a 3-pack of the super glue, half off. Another one that's pretty good. I like all the dollar ones. They were my favorite. The funnel set. These will come all stacked together with a little holder that goes through the middle of them, so they're nice and compact. Don't take up too much space. I don't find a lot of automotive style uses for these, they're so little, but a lot of lawn and garden stuff, when you have like concentrates that you have to mix with water and everything, makes it a little bit easier. Pour it into different jugs and bottles. You could probably find some kitchen uses for it as well. But anyway, normally $1.99 down to $1. The quarter-inch drive color-coded deep socket set. It's a 10-piece set. Normally $12.99 down to $9. Again, you can get SAE or metric. I like the color-coded one, especially once you get used to them. Then you'll know, your 10 is green or whichever one is the 10 here. So it makes it really quick and easy to pick up the ones that you use the most. Now, one other thing is to keep in mind, we have a 30% off items under $10 coupon. If you're an Inside Track Club member, 30% off items under $20. Some of these dollar day discounts aren't even going to be as much as your 30% coupon. So just keep in mind which one you want to use. I will try and remember to put a link or a pinned comment to that 30% off video. That's going to be good over the weekend only. You have the 11-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4 mil tarp. Normally $9.99 down to $8. So you're only saving $1.99. This isn't my favorite deal in this thing for sure. Back in the day, we used to get a slightly smaller tarp that you get for free with a coupon. This is their 4 mil, which is the thinnest. I feel like they're pretty damn fragile. And if I'm getting, you can always use a tarp. There's always reasons to have one around, but I'd probably go with the better version, the thicker ones. One Stop Gardens 40 lumen 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight. Normally $8.99 down to $7. These style of spotlights are always more expensive than like the solar wall lights and some other of the little yard and garden solar lights that you can get, but still at $7. You get better options on Amazon. Get like a 4-pack or something. Get it closer to $5 a piece, but it's not terrible. But Cotton Terry cleaning towels, 14 by 16 inch, 12-pack. Normally $8.99 down to $7. Another one that I might be picking up myself because I feel like I can never find the damn thing. Adjustable pin spanner wrench. For your angle grinder or what have you. Lock it on there so you don't have to use a pair of pliers because you can't find your damn wrench that it came with. Normally $7.99 down to $5. Pittsburgh 24-inch I-beam level 2-footer. Normally $7.99 down to $6. The Bauer 6-inch hook and loop 6-hole pattern sanding disc with zirconia grain. It's a 5-pack for $5. Normally $6.99 down to $5. Available in a bunch of different grits. I wouldn't get this one at all. Just you can get better values other places. This is probably the worst coupon in the whole thing. So it's a good way to end it. Let's end it at a low point. So, again, these are good. Now, through the 12th, I do have these posted also on my website, struggleville.net, along with the free item coupon that is available from, I believe it was August 3rd through the 6th, so you can find that. And then again, that 30% coupon is good for this weekend, starting tomorrow, today, the 31st through the 2nd or 3rd, whatever it is, the 2nd. So, lots of Harbor Freight coupons. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for any subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.